Hi, second grade. Welcome back. So today what we're going to be doing is continuing on with our poetry unit. I want you to read the objectives in your head right now. Today what we're going to be doing is defining figurative language, and we're going to be determining the difference between a simile, everybody say simile, and metaphor. So we're going to figure out what a simile and a metaphor are and how they're different. So poems have something called figurative language. And sometimes it can be a simile, sometimes it can be a metaphor, which we're going to learn about today. It could also be rhymes, rhythm, repetition, and alliteration. Poems have figurative language because they help to make the poem really interesting, and they help the reader to visualize the poem. So you can see it in your head as you're reading it, and you can imagine it as you're reading it. So we're going to start today talking about similes. So I want you to read this in your head. A simile is when you compare, so you have to compare. You're comparing two things using the words like or as. So he is as fast as a rabbit. Is he really a rabbit? No. But they're saying he's fast like a rabbit, and rabbits go pretty fast. So they're saying he's really fast. So let's use this definition. It's comparing this boy to a fast rabbit. So that's comparing something. And then let's see if it uses like or as. He is as fast as. So it has the as's in it. So that means that it is a simile. So we're going to do some examples. She is as busy as a bee. Is she really a bee? Am I really a bee? No. But I'm being busy like a bee because bees work really, really hard. So I'm comparing two things, and I'm using the words like or as. The boy was fast like a cheetah. So maybe he's running really fast. So I'm comparing a boy's running to a cheetah. So he's going really fast. And in this one, I'm using the word like. So that's a simile. Another one, I want you to read it in your head. The backpack was as heavy as an elephant. The backpack was so heavy. So that means the backpack being heavy like an elephant. Your backpack doesn't really have an elephant in it, but it's comparing them, and it's using like or as. We're going to go through a couple examples together. Okay, so we're going to do this together. The first example, I am as tall as a tree. Is this a simile? Yes or no? I want you to explain why. So everybody should have said, yes, I am as tall as a tree. It is comparing yourself to a tree because it's super, super tall, and it's using the words like or as. So it's comparing, and it's using like or as. So that means, yes, it is a simile. Let's see this one. She likes pizza. Is this a simile? Some people might be saying, yeah, this is a simile because it says likes. But we're not comparing anything. She likes pizza. We're not talking about her being like something. We're saying that she likes pizza, just like Miss Poloncarz likes coffee. That's just her preference. So this actually is not a simile. So because it's not comparing. So remember, you have to look at our CFS is basically using this definition. You have to compare, and you have to use like or as. Okay. Now you get to go. Oh, perfect. Now you get to go and do some examples by yourself. So when you're done, you're going to use this. You're going to do questions 1 and 2. When you're done, you're going to move on to the next video, and we're going to learn about metaphors.